Let's take a few moments to review the format of a business letter. So first of all, before we start looking at the individual sections of the letter, there are a few things that you should notice about the overall structure and format of the letter. This business letter is created in standard block format, and so you'll notice that there are no indents at the beginning of each paragraph. You'll notice that the entire letter is single-spaced with a space in between each paragraph or section. And you should notice that there are some specific sections which we'll take a look at. At the top of a business letter, you're going to include your name and contact information. If you have some sort of standardized business header, or if you're using letterhead, it would be fine to use that at the top. But if you don't have any of that, then you'll just include your name, your address, your email, your phone number, that sort of thing. You would then provide a space, include the date, provide another space, and include the recipient's name, company, address, all of that information. You'll notice next that we have a salutation. The salutation is going to say something along the lines of Dear Mr. Blank, Dear Miss Blank, and there is a colon after the salutation, not a comma. If you don't know the name of your recipient, you could instead include a subject heading. So instead of Dear Mr. So-and-so, it would say subject colon and then the subject that the letter is being written in regards to. Next, you'll provide a very concise, clear purpose statement. And this is going to clearly indicate for your reader what this letter is being written for. Why are you writing this letter? You'll divide the letter up into manageable chunks. You'll separate the chunks with a space and not indent the beginning line of each paragraph. And when you have completed everything you have to say in the letter, you will include what is called a complimentary close, such as sincerely. That will be followed by a comma, and then, of course, you would sign the letter, and then you would have your name typed underneath the signature. If you are including an enclosure, such as a resume, you can include that information, clarifying how many other documents are being enclosed. Of course, the actual content of any letter is going to be dependent on the rhetorical situation, but that should give you a good idea of the standard business letter format.